Good morning, 6th grade, and welcome to Wednesday, April 29th video guide to your classwork. Over the next few classes, you will be exploring a space-based version. A space-based version, that means from space, vision of the planet Earth that explains the web of connections that sustain all of life on Earth. Sustain means keep, by the way. Keep, sustain, synonyms. Okay? So you will be exploring the space-based vision of our planet that explains the web of connections that sustain all of life on Earth. And you may be wondering, how can we do this? Well, we can do this because we can travel into space, manned and unmanned. We can send machinery, craft up into space beyond our atmosphere and suspend them up there, put them in orbit around the planet. And then we can have those crafts have the technology and tools that can take images and videos and collect all sorts of data and send it back down to science labs on the surface of the planet. And we are going to complete this space exploration by watching a full-length, almost 2-hour full-length movie titled Earth from Space. While we watch, we're going to search for and record answers to a list of questions that are answered throughout the film. Okay, so let's go. The first step in your classwork today is to make an entry in your table of contents titled Earth from Space, a video lesson. Step 2, in your notes, do the same. Make an entry, Earth from Space, a video lesson. Step 3, in your notes then, record the following. My task while watching the movie was to find and record answers to questions about information learned in the movie. My work for this lesson is on the Google document, Earth from Space. Step number 4. Open this link. And then on today's classwork document, all you'll have to do is click on the link, and that will take you to the movie. Okay, so open that link. Step number 5. Open the Earth from Space Google document that's also attached to today's classwork stream post. Okay, so now you should have in one window the movie opened, okay, and in another window you should have the Google document with all the questions that you will try to find the answers to from watching the movie Earth in Space. So we have 2 windows open, okay? We can pause, could have 3 windows open, I guess technically, if you're watching this video. So you can pause this video, you can pause the movie, and you can write the answers to the questions on your Google document, okay? Step number 6. Watch the first 42 minutes and 50 seconds of the film today. We'll be watching the rest of the film over the next 2 classes. As you watch, answer questions 1 through 6 on the Earth from Space Google document. Helpful hints. 1. Rewatch parts of the movie to review important information presented. Important information would be information that you think might be the answer to one of the questions on the Google document. Helpful hint number 2. Use the times. The times will be in pink on the question document, the Google document. You'll see it when you open it up and look at it. Right after each question, there will be a time. It will be in pink. Use those times on the Google document after each question to find the answer to the question. So if you watch the movie and you didn't get the answer to any of these questions, okay, on the Google document where the questions are and where you're going to type in your answers, I've given you in pink the time in the movie when you can go to fast forward or rewind and find the answer to that question. That's hint number 2. Helpful hint number 3. Pause the movie when recording your answers on the Google document. Okay, pause the movie when recording your answers on the Google document. Okay? When you get to the time of 42 minutes and 50 seconds into the video, into the movie, then I want you to stop, and we will continue from there in our next class. And don't forget, please send me your classwork when you're done. So that's the Google document with your answers to the 6 questions. Send that to me when you're done today watching the first 42 minutes and 50 seconds of Earth from Space, a full-length feature film. That is your classwork for today. That's your mission, if you choose to accept it. No, I'm sorry, I'm thinking of the movie Mission Impossible. Sorry, you have no choice. Well, you have a choice, but please do the classwork and send me your work. Have a great day, and I will hopefully see you in one of today's Google Meets, and we will go over what we learned in the movie and the answers to the first 6 questions on the Google document. I'll see you then, I hope. So long for now.